Welcome to the third episode of Cooking with Chris. My name is Chris, and I'll be your host. Today, we are making an American classic, twice-baked potatoes. Our ingredients are as follows: 4 russet potatoes, extra virgin olive oil, sour cream, milk, salt, butter, and cheddar cheese. These ingredients are extremely common, especially the olive oil. Due to it being extra virgin, you can find it anywhere on Discord. Once you make sure your potatoes are clean, you can start the preparation. Step 1. Cover the potatoes in oil. Next, you'll want to use a fork to poke holes into the potatoes. Londoners will find this part especially easy. Poking these holes will prevent the potatoes from exploding when we bake them. Put the potatoes in a 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius oven for 75 minutes. One screening of Saving Private Ryan and one traumatized girlfriend later, you can remove the potatoes from the oven. Now that our potatoes are baked, you'll need to slice about 1/3 of them off, like so. Next, you take out a bowl and use a spoon to scoop the potato into the bowl. Begin with the smaller pieces you cut off, and you can either discard or eat them afterwards. Once the smaller slices of potato are done, begin on the larger pieces. Make sure to leave about half a centimetre of potato on all sides, as shown here. Now place the scooped out potato inside, sour cream, milk and butter into a large bowl and mash. Another thing you can add to the bowl is salt and pepper, but I skipped this part. You can mix this potato by hand or with a mixing machine. After the potatoes are mashed to a desired consistency, scoop your mashed potatoes and place them into a carved out potato skin. Place your filled potato skins onto a tray, cover these with cheese, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Here is the result.